We are beginning the hike into Railroad Canyon. This is a little parking area. Any car can make it. And the trail begins. It's at the Railroad Canyon campground, just a few yards beyond it. And here the trail begins along the stream. You can see some of the, this is still at the very beginning of the hike. You can see where a fire that we think was about 8 years ago came through, damaged quite a few of the trees, and you can see quite a few of them on the ground, but most of them are still intact, and it's still quite a scenic canyon. The trail does meander over the creek in several places, and the creek does happen to have water in it, but getting across really isn't a problem. You can see by the amount of grass along the trail that we are a pretty good ways from Las Cruces. We're up Highway 152 in the Gila National Forest. Nice orange fungus of some kind. Three-quarters of a mile in. Canyon's still scenic. You see the walls go up pretty high. Well, we've been over a mile now, mile and a quarter, something like that. Some of the trail, the canyon is shifting a little bit, but some of the rock formations are pretty dramatic. The canyon walls are pretty far up there. Right, Massai? Hiking along, and the canyon's starting to open up a little bit now. Pretty wide meadow here. Still see a lot of fire damaged trees. Very scenic though. Well, here we are approaching the end of the trail. We went a little over 4 miles today. Here's the car, assuming it's still here. Yay, it is. Thank you for joining us.